Travel Assist uses Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, and center guidance to help keep you centered in your lane and maintain a preset distance from the vehicle ahead. This can be especially helpful when driving on long highway trips. When using Travel Assist, make sure to keep both hands on the steering wheel and remember that the system is designed to detect vehicles moving in the same direction and reacts to objects within the sensor's line of sight. It does not react to oncoming or intersecting vehicles. The system must be able to detect clear lane markings and can be used when traveling at speeds between approximately 15 to 20 miles per hour, up to approximately 95 or 130 miles per hour, depending on your model. Braking force is limited, so in the event additional braking is needed, Front Assist may intervene with an automatic braking maneuver. Because there are radar sensors and cameras that are used to help make the IQ.DRIVE features work, it means there are some limitations and situations where these features may not work. If the sensors or sensor mounts become misaligned or are damaged, or if they're blocked by things like ice, snow buildup, dirt, mud, or leaves, the system may not work or unwanted braking could occur. Even heavy cargo and/or heavy trailers could change the sensor angles by elevating the front of the vehicle and cause system disablement. It's also important to know that in certain situations, the system may not be able to keep the vehicle in the lane, such as poor weather conditions or if there's unclear lane markings on the road.